Hey guys, if you're using Jotform and Monday.com together, then Prefill can save you a ton of time. So basically, it lets you automatically fill forms with data you already have, so you don't actually have to type in anything manually. So to get started, simply create your Jotform as usual. Then set up the prefill feature, so you can prefill from another form, a CSV file, or even use parameters from Monday.com. So if you're sending form links directly from your boards, once it's set up, whenever someone opens the form, the fields you chose will already be filled in with the right info. So this is super useful for keeping data consistent, speeding up workflows, and making sure your Monday.com boards get the correct information without extra work. So it's a small setup that can make a big difference in managing your projects efficiently. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.